Hello, in this class exercise problem we're going to draw this quadrilateral using the given absolute coordinates and the relative coordinates, and then we're going to have to find out the length of this side AD. Alright, so let's get started. Click on the line tool and type the first set of coordinates for point A. They're given in absolute coordinates. So type 10, 9.5. Press enter. For next coordinates for point B, they're given in relative coordinate format. You see that @ symbol is for relative coordinates, and the point B is given as relative to point A. So type at 25, negative 5.5. Press enter. Next point C is also given in relative coordinates format, and this is relative to point B. So type at first 0.5, 10. Press enter. Next point is D, is also given in relative coordinate format. So type at negative 18.5, 6. Press enter, and then we need to go back to point A to close it. So type C to close and press enter. Now we need to find out the length of side AD. So type DI, press enter, and then click point A and then click point D. So the distance is 12.6194.